So this is the first role that we have where someone is looking for SOC, L1, L2 and system security administration and threat intelligence expert. This is the mail ID and this is a full-time mode. They are the preferred certificate and all those things. So guys, as I told you, there's a lot of opening, like you can see SOC. We have started with SOC. There's a lot of hiring in SOC. If you want to learn about SOC, you can check out this URL, viehgroup.com/SOC. Just make sure to watch this one, right? Now next opening is someone is again hiring for SOC analyst, 0 to 1 years of experience, right? So guys, if you join this one, then you'll be having 3 months of experience and you can join this type of internship, right? The next one is information security consultant, GRC job is there. 2 to 5 years of experience is required, and this is day shift. It will be in Mumbai, Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday off, open to all. Up to 10 LP they will pay you, right? And this is what you need, right? Key responsibilities, qualification, and this email yasmin.g@sunyata.ttva.co. Right. Now next one is SOC Analyst L1 again. Okay, someone is looking for the company Software Infrastructure Services Private Limited. It's in Kochi. What we are looking for, they are looking for this first thing. Mail ID is sminu.s@softit.in, right? Make sure to check out this thing, what you will do, so that you'll be having an idea what you need to do, right? Next is national security engineer, tech engineer. Okay, the other things, former company name and all. It's in Chennai. Tech security engineer is the company name. Tech, right? 2 to 3 years of network security knowledge. Shift is flexible, and this is actually immediate 30-day notice period, right? If you want to apply, just check out this email, drop your resume there, and if you're not getting any response or something, you can drop a message on this WhatsApp number, right? Prithvi Rat is the contact person, and the other key requirement: 2+ years of experience is required. IPsec, SSL, VPN, and TCP, all those things, right? Now next one is in computer office. Someone is hiring as a security intern, right? HR@sanovate.com, and security intern computer is the thing that you need to add on your subject line. Next one is KPMG is hiring for data protection and information security specialist. 2 to 7 years of experience is required. Bangalore, Gurugram, and mail ID is basically here. You can see Nikhil Hargade@kpmg.com, and this is what you need to add: MS Purview on the subject line. The other key responsibilities that you need to do, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. Have a great day.